Hello, Mzansi, Umgosi Ojuicy. Yeah. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, guys. Angathi mina ukuthi benitithatha plate indzaba. Angathi ukuthi nditholaphi. But Amanda Black usuphumele obala and share your post wathi yena akayati indzaba ye-sexual assault. Uthi akayati ugirl. Akayati indzaba yakhe ye-sexual assault nasijava. Kusho ukuthi thina siyatikhulumela tindzaba guys. Kumbe khona lapho siyithatha khona bese siyayikhuluma thina indaba bese ugela uthi yena akayazi. So guys, asiphumeni endabeni zabantu. Asiphumeni thina asibuke nomgosi wethu. Okay, siyakuzwa girl, but don't come back here next time uthi wena hey, remember guys, khani ngithi mina akazange ebethe bekenzeka ukuthi thina sibamba. Thank you so much guys for listening and for watching my videos. Please don't forget to continue liking and subscribing to my channel for many more umgosi. Thank you. Have a lovely and wonderful day.